To export your Instagram reel from Premiere Pro with the best settings, you need to follow the steps. First, you need to adjust the sequence settings. So in your project, click on Sequence in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Sequence Settings. Under Video, change the frame size and 1080 in the frame size, and then 1920 in the horizontal size. This will give you 90:16 portrait aspect ratio. Press on OK from the bottom. Click on OK to confirm. After that, you can reposition your clip if needed. Since you've changed to portrait video, you might need to adjust your clip's position as well. So go ahead and adjust the video to this frame by stretching the ends of the video. And once you're finished, go ahead and click on File in the top right, then select Export, click on Media, make sure that the Use Maximum Render Quality is selected. Then after, select Export. These settings will provide the best quality for your Instagram uploads. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.